Now we have another project. No, same project, other work. I got a lot of stainless steel Torx bolts. So what I'm going to do with them? Watch. I really hate those rusty bolts. There, 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 there and there. And on my bike I exchanged them for stainless steel bolts. And that's what we're going to do now over here too. I'm going to take them out one by one. And these are Torx 40. So let's start over here. Oops, okay, not too tight. Let's see. This one, and the length is 40. Let's see where my 40s are. Over here. Where is the scissor? Okay. See? Same length. Hey, moet ik eigenlijk een beetje zo zetten, denk ik. Zo. Op. Dan spradder. Op. They are not that tight. Wait a minute. Put it over there, so it's better for the lightning, for the grease lightning. Hop, this one in. Okay. Tight enough. Then over here, get that ABS sensor wire out of the way, in a way. So, yep. Okay. Okay, then deze ook kwijt. Okay, then this one. Okay, then another one. Okay. So. Okay, I didn't torque them, simply I don't know what the torque is for these bolts. On the other side I'm going to do the same, but I don't make a video of it. If you want to do this yourself, It's easy, as you saw. And the bolt is 8 M8, 8 millimeters. And the length is 40. And the pitch, I have this special tool. It's all, watch, wait, I can show it, tiny. And over here is the markings. And this is, maybe kijk, I think it's 1.25. Spot on. The pitch is 1.25. These are terrible. Yeah. Look at this one. For such an expensive brand, looks like they just painted them. Yeah, even over there. On the ends start rusting. And this one is start to rust in the middle. No, not good. No, going to the other side. And for now, old mechanic.